Genes families and genes clusters. Many genes are arranged in groups along a chromosome. If the many genes are multiple of genes, they are arranged on the chromosomes. They are usually called as gene clusters. The example of the gene clusters can be eukaryotic ribosomal RNA genes, which are usually present in the form of tandem repeats. Gene families. Related genes may be organized as several clusters at different locations. They are known as gene families. If the clusters they are present on different locations, gene clusters they are present on different locations of the genome, they are called as gene families. The example is a globin gene family. Many single copy genes and gene families. Many eukaryotic genes are present in one copy per haploid set of chromosomes, mean they are solitary genes, single genes. While on the other hand, the rest of the genes occur in multi-gene families, collection of identical or very similar genes. So genes can be single copy genes and genes can be in the form of multi-gene families. The example of the gene family and family members. Peroxyredoxin family is a gene family. The abbreviation for this gene family is PRDX, which is the root symbol for this gene family for the peroxyredoxin. The family members of this gene family, they are PRDX1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So, peroxyredoxin is a gene family and the symbol for this gene family is PRDX, and there are different members of this gene family. They are named as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Some multi-gene families consist of identical DNA sequences, usually clustered tandemly, such as those in case of RNA, those genes which produce RNA product. They are usually in the form of clusters. This is an example of a ribosomal RNA gene family. Here we can see that gene 1 that encodes for 18S. Here is second gene that encodes for 5.8S. And there is a third gene that encodes for 28S. So there are three genes, they are in the form of cluster and they encode for different ribosomal RNAs that eventually form the ribosomes. So the ribosomal RNA gene family is in the form of clusters. Another example of the gene families can be human alpha and beta globin gene family. Human alpha and beta globin gene family is found on chromosome 16 and on chromosome 11. Alpha globin gene family is found on chromosome 16. Here we can see that this is the gene family, alpha globin gene family. Beta globin gene family is found on chromosome 11. Here we can see all the members of this family. So this is a second example of the gene family that is in the form of alpha and beta globin gene family, where alpha is found on chromosome 16 while beta globin gene family is found on chromosome 11. This is a third example of gene families on different chromosomes. On chromosome 11, this is a gene family. On chromosome 16, there is another gene family. On chromosome 22, there is a myoglobin gene family. So different gene families are found on different chromosomes. How the gene families are emerged? The misalignment of genes during recombination is the most likely cause of gene duplications. During the process of recombination, if there is a misalignment between the alleles, between the sister chromatids or homologous chromosome, that is one of the major cause of gene duplication that eventually forms the gene clusters or duplicated gene families. Once there is a repeated region in a specific point on the DNA or on the chromosome, that is the probability of the misalignment increases, and there is a more probability of the duplicated genes and the formation of the gene clusters or duplicated gene families. Gene families due to misalignment. So the best example of misalignment is the globins. Here we can see the ancestral condition was on the chromosome. Then due to the misalignment of the repeat regions, so here was a misalignment. These two alleles, these two chromatids, they are not aligned with each other. So due to this misalignment, the duplicated globin gene appeared. Here we can see that this one and the second part, and then the third part, fourth and fifth. So due to misalignment, the two different sequences, they merge with each other, and that is the reason, one of the main reason of gene families. What are superfamilies or super gene families? Superfamilies are much larger as compared to single multiple gene families. Superfamilies, they contain hundreds of multiple multi-gene families as well as single individual genes. In case of superfamilies, there can be multiple families as well as single genes. So superfamilies, they are larger than the individual gene families. The large number of members allows superfamilies to be widely spread throughout the genome. Like some of the genes, they can be in the form of clusters, while some of the genes, they can be single copy. So they are widespread, they can be on different parts of the genome or on different chromosomes. If we conclude that what are gene families or gene clusters? So genes can be single copy on the genome. Genes can be in the form of gene families. Gene families can be in the form of clusters. Gene families can be in the form of super gene families. So on the genome, there can be individual or single genes. There can be gene clusters. Clusters can be in the form of families. They are called as gene families. And gene families can also be in the form of superfamilies, where there are multiple gene families as well as single individual genes.